So today I'm going to start how you can make a data pipeline using of Google Cloud Platform and its services like BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, as well as data transfer. And the next series of video, I will explain you how can you make a different kinds of pipeline with the using of different kinds of services of the GCP, Google Cloud Platform. If you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe this channel for learn a lot. As well as before starting this video, I will request you to install in your local machine Python, VS Code, as well as GCP free account. So all the videos I have made in this channel, please go there and follow this setup in your local machine. Then this pipeline will work very easily in your local machine. So before going to start, you have to install the free account in your local machine. So I have set up the free account in my local machine. So this is the free account of Google Cloud, where I am using BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, as well as data transfer as a BigQuery services. So my motive will be, so I'm going to share my motive will be, my first pipeline motive will be like pipeline one using BigQuery, data transfer and GCP services. So this pipeline is will use like a BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage as well as data transfer service as a BigQuery. So data transfer is a service of the BigQuery which transfer the data from one platform to another platform, or it will just make a bridge from one from source to destination. So here is a like simple way flow. Like I will just drop one file in my local machine and it will upload in GCS bucket, means Google Cloud Storage bucket, and that bucket will automatically from the bucket automatically it will load data into the BigQuery. So this pipeline generally when you are going to give the interview of the GCP, or you are going to interview of data engineering using the GCP. So interview will generally ask you what is the motive and how you are making the pipeline, and can you just explain all the things. So this is the very simple pipeline, but most of the enterprise will use this kind of pipeline. So I'm using very simple data which is in CSV, and that would be load into the BigQuery. The how it will extract transform load work here. So it will extract from our local machine, means I'm working as a my PC, and through Python it will transform it and load it into Google Cloud Bucket. GCS is a data lake. So after the first pipeline will work, after that it will make the second stage pipeline, like it will extract the data from Google Bucket and transform through data transfer and load into the BigQuery. And after that, you can just visualize your data. After that, you can just visualize your data using Power BI and Looker Studio or other different kinds of services with the using of this. So this is the overall pipeline. You can just say the architecture or structure. We can just following this video. So let me just start it. So I am going to show my data in with you. So here I have just keep my data. So Indian sample data, I have just sample data with 5,000 rows. I make this sample data with 5,000 rows in CSV format. So here you'll see I have a row of 5,000. Let me just show you. It is a sample data. You can just say 5001 because one is a header. So now I want to just extract this data from here and load into the BigQuery table, which is data warehouse. So I am going to make this pipeline and show you step by step. So if you are new in this field, so you will learn a lot and you will understand very basic to advanced level GCP as well as Python as well as different kinds of courses in same video, as well as you can also learn a lot something new in this channel. So please like, share and subscribe this channel as well. So let me just close this data. I am just closing this data. So my motive is, like, first motive is to local folder to GCS bucket. So I am going to just show you how you can make a GCS bucket. So you have to first come into the Google Cloud platform as a free service account. Here you will search Google Cloud Storage, or you can just click it. So after clicking it, you will just like find like this type of interface in to create a GCS bucket. So GCS bucket is a data lake which contains structure, semi-structure and unstructured data. Like you can just contain video files as well as your structured data like CSV, Excel files, as well as unstructured or mixed type of semi-structured data. So here you will get an option to create bucket. So first of all, you need to create a one bucket. So when I just come here, so I will just create a bucket. You can just make it name like this, GCP D services. And after that, you have to just continue. Like I have made this one. I am just test another name, test GCP 11. Like this type of bucket name I am choosing and I am continuing. So while selecting your GCP bucket or while selecting you all services and using all services of GCP, so keep in mind like you have to use only uh, same reason whatever services you are going to use. Suppose I'm using BigQuery, Cloud, Google Cloud Storage as well as data transfer. So all services I will use the same reason. Like in my case, I am going to use with the same reason. Like I have chosen the multiple reason. Let me just choose the reason. Here you will means automatically by default it is a multi reason. So you have to just jump into the reason and just choose it. Like I am just going to choose it like uh, South California. So USD is one, South California I am choosing, and after that you can also choose like same and follow the same step and then continue. And after that it will set a standard, so you can also set a standard and after then continue, and after that again continue, and final step you have to make create. So after that you make create button, so you will get like GCP bucket. Here I have already created for my understanding, so you can create like this. And if you are facing any problem, so please comment below, I'll guide you. So after creating a bucket, you will find out like this. I've created this name. So you will find like this. You will find like this. So this is interface after creating this bucket. So you will take your bucket like GCP DE services, whatever name you have put, and you will find out like this. And after bucket, you can just create folder. So how you just create a folder? Like I created one folder GCP BQ where I will load our data. First pipeline I mentioned, like here you will see like local folder to GCP bucket. Our first data pipeline step means first pipeline A step, and this is a B step. So I will local folder. I will extract data from local folder to Python. I will transform it and load into the GCS bucket, Google Cloud Storage bucket. So here I am how you will make or create a folder. So here you will find a create folder. You have to just put your name and easily you can just create a folder. So I created a folder GCP to BigQuery where I will just get all the files here. So already I have some files. Let me just delete it, and I am just going to show how it is work. Let me just delete it. Please ignore both the files, udf.json as well as bq.json. Please ignore these files, because when you are just using these services, these files, there is no need. So you will just after this creation of GCP DE services and GCP BQ services, you will find like a empty bucket. So how it is worked. So I'm going to explain it this kind of thing, like from here to here and then from here to here, and I will explain. So let me just go IAM. So before IAM, so I hope you set up your Python in your local machine, Python upgraded version 3.13.7 or 8, which is a latest version you are working, as well as also you have set up, I hope, VS Code. So if you haven't set up Python and VS Code as well as GCP free account, please go and watch our video and please like, share and subscribe this channel. So after the setup of GCS, Google Cloud Storage Bucket, so you have to just search in like IEAM into Google Cloud, and here you will come. So you have to generate one service account. Here you will see the account I have generated. So how you can just generate the service account. So let me just show you. Already I have made how IAM work. If you haven't watched that video, please go there and watch, as well as I already explained how to create a service account. Now I'm going to again showing you how you can create a service account and give access to this account. So after IAM, you will see this type of interfaces. So now I am switching to service account. Here is you will find the service account. In the service account, here you will find create service account. After that, you have to create, like, you have to put your name. Like I am putting the name of anything, you can put it. I am working in GCP services, so you can make GCP services or something, you can just make it. After that, some number, means according to your understanding, you can just put your name. After that, you have to just, if you want to just give a description like this service account, what it works, so you can just do like this. And after that, you create and continue. You have to do like, after create and continue, you have to select a role. Like select role means I already explained how you can just select role in and give access to this account. So if you are just come into the basic, so if you are giving the access of honor, so you can do, and you can access all the services, as well as you can modify, delete, and whatever means things, whatever end-to-end services means all permission honor has. So you can just access all the permission while you choosing the honor services. So there is another services. I am just explaining you, like uh, honor, if you are giving honor services, so it will just give the permission end to end thing into the GCP account, as well as when you are just viewership. So viewership will work like you can only view, you cannot do anything, editor and browser. So generally I give the honor because it's my personal account, and I am only me in using this account, this free account. So I have given my honor account. So you can also give a honor for this service account. And after continue also, you have to work. So after continue, when you will just create it done, so it will generate a service account. So here you'll find like this type of service account, and here is the list of services account. You will get it like I have generated this service account. You will find out. Like it is also while you have done and create the work me service account, it will automatically enable it. And I have made the description like this account will take care all GCP services. And after service account, you have to generate the key. So how you can generate the key? So after service account, for my cases, I have generated the key. So you in your cases, you have to generate the key. You have to come into triple dots, and after just manage key, you have to come manage key in add key, and after that create new key. When you just click on create new key, here you have to download JSON, not P12. You have always download JSON. You will create and download the JSON. It will just download in your local machine, and after that you can access all the services of the GCP. So I hope you understood, and I have given this permission. Now I have to give this service account to a permission. So I will give for permission giving, you have to come IAM, identity and access management. Here you will grant permission, grant access. Here you have to mention your service account as well as role as a basic owner. You have to provide it, and after save it. So I'm canceling this. I have done this thing like this service account I have generated for my cases. I hope you generated the same thing. I have provided the owner one as well as I am owner of this account, so that's why it's showing me with this sample Gmail with honor. So these two, you can just check it, and please above two you can please ignore it. I am working with these two. After that, what you need to do? So after that you need to create a uh, one setup of VS Code. So after I hope you set up the VS Code. So first of all, we need to extract the data from local folder to GCS bucket. So let me just show you. We have already, what we have done, we have already created the GCS bucket, and we have set up our VS Code Python. And now I'm going to start this step which we have set up this. So let me just show you. So I have uh, created one GCP folder where like GCP, this is my this path local folder I have created. You can with the name of GCP. So you can also make your same folder name, or you can make another folder like this. So here you will see I have created one virtual environment. So you can also make a create a virtual environment in this. I recommend it after creating a folder. You can create a virtual environment. If you haven't no means if you don't know how to create a virtual environment, please in the same video I have means in the same channel I have already means explain how you can create the virtual environment. Please go there and create the virtual environment. So after that virtual environment, you already downloaded your JSON key from here. JSON key already you have downloaded. So after the downloading, please copy and paste here in the same GCP folder. And this is a Python script which I will share you how you can just which you can use this Python script and just post your CSV into GCS bucket. So here the three file is needed like VNV virtual environment. This is a JSON key, and this is upload to the GCS bucket. So when I am going to open into the VS Code, after set up the VS Code, you can just open this file like this folder like this folder. You can just make new folder. Here you can just open it, the same folder I have opened it, and I have created like upload CSV gcs.py, and this is a Python file I have created like which is work like transform this file and load into the BigQuery and from the local folder. So this Python file here from here, as well as I have created virtual environment. Here you will see I have already created virtual environment, and after that how means created the virtual environment, how you can active it. You can also just go and watch the same channel video. I have dropped this, as well as I am just going to explain how this things work. So like this is importing some kinds of library packages, as well as I have created the how library and packages work. So if you haven't watched that video, please go there and watch, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Like this is library and packages I have importing for this. That's necessary library and packages. Like we are importing, like we are push our CSV data into Google Cloud storage. So that's why we are from Google Cloud we are importing the storage credentials, and here we are just making some folders like a watch folder. like like this is our folder directory. Here you will find out, like this is my directory. This is my local folder directory. Like this directory I have mentioned. This directory I have mentioned here. Also, I have a bucket name which I have just sh- shown you like earlier. What is my bucket name? Like I made the bucket name of let me just show you. This is a bucket name which I have created GCP D services. In your case, you have created also too, and you have to put your bucket name inside this. So here I have put it the bucket name where destination file will go from this folder to destination folder this, and destination folder bucket is GCS GCP BQ means also I have created this folder right from here. How to create a folder I already explained. From here I have created one GCP BQ folder, and now I am going to explain you how it is work. So after that, it will just taking all the credentials automatically, as well as you not need to do anything. I will provide this script in the description, so you can just find out and set up your you in your local machine. And here I'm going to explain like what is watchlog. So watchdog is a means Python library which is like watching in your folder. Means it will watch in your folder, like any new file will come, it will immediately load into GCS bucket. So it will means once you run run this script in after creating the virtual machine, means virtual environment. After creating the virtual environment, even you will just run this script. So watch log, what does it does? It will watching continuously in your folder. Like if you are just dropping any new file or any CSV file here, your CSV data pipe means CSV pipeline here. So sometimes how it is work, some transaction data comes into the portal and you have to download it from your company and drop this file into here, and that company data go into the GCS bucket. Like this pipeline generally company will make it. So the same way, I don't have any like transactional data, so I've taken the sample data. So here you will see like when I am dropping it, it will just push into the GCS bucket. So I am going to explain everything. Now I'm going to run this script. So let me just run this script. So what it will do, like it will extract data from local folder and load into GCS bucket through Python code. So I'm running this Python code as a transformation. So let me just run this code. So again, let me just delete this and run this again. So now virtual environment is active and it's checking watchdog is checking the folder. So currently I don't have any any file in my folder. That's why it's not running it. So there is no CSV in my folder. That's why it's not running it. Let me just drop my CSV, this CSV, Control X, and here is my folder. I am just dropping here. So now it dropped the file, and let's see what happened. So it found the file into the same location and uploaded into GCS bucket, destination into GCS bucket. So let me just check it. We have updated or not into GCS bucket. So let me just go into the G. So here is our bucket. We have created it. Let me just refresh it. So I refresh it. So we have successfully, load that our CSV file into that GCS bucket, which we have created it. So now at this time, current time is just now we have created this. So now this is the time. And now the second step, what we have to do now once bucket in the bucket we have a file CSV file, so we have the CSV file load into BigQuery table using data transfer. So how you can make BigQuery table? So in my case, I have already created the BigQuery table. So in your case, when you just search into the BigQuery, and after that you will redirect to this page, and after that you have to just create data set. So while you're creating the data set, you have to put your data set name, like whatever name you want to put, just put the data set name, and you have to just select the reason. So select the reason with the same of GCS bucket, which we were creating that time. So the same California, East one, California, otherwise it will throw you error. So every whatever services you are using in GCP, so always try to select the same reason. So I selected the same reason, and now click create data set. When you will just create data set, it will created the data set like this: GCP BigQuery BigQuery underscore data. This we have created it, and under this you have to create a one table. So I am creating a table using of Google Cloud Storage, because of when you will create a when you will create a table. Let me just show you. When you will create the table, so you will not find this type of structure. So currently we have, so this type of structure we need. So we will create a table like this. Otherwise you have to manually mention it. So I'm not going to manually work, do all the things in this creating this column name or a schema of this structure. So I am just showing you how you can just make this structure. So create table, when you will just click it, here is a source. You have to select the GCP uh, cloud storage. So Google Cloud Storage, you have to just select it. After that, it show like this. And destination project, this is a project name. You don't have to do anything here. The data set, your current data set, which we were creating that time, and table name, whatever table name you want to put, please put here your table name, and that's it. That's it. You want to create the table, and when you will just create the table, you will get a you will yes, quit. So you will get a schema along with data, along with along with data. So currently I don't have data because I queried and I made truncate. Truncate in yours means suppose you have a data, so you have to make query and truncate table, and limit you have to remove it and run it. After running, you will get like this type of uh, interface after just when you refresh it. So schema has truncate will work, means remove all the data, but structure will mentioned here. So now we are going to do like we will extract data from GCS bucket ETL, extract data from GCS bucket, transform through data transfer and load into the BigQuery. We have done bucket thing and BigQuery thing. Now we have to do data transfer transformation job. So how you can make data transfer job? So in the BigQuery, you will see like here, left side, data transfer, data flow, scheduling query and scheduling. Here you will see when you will just click on data transfer thing. So you will redirect to this page, data transfer. So you will find this type of page. So here you have to create transfer. So select source. We are selecting the source of Google Cloud Storage. So here we need to select because our file CSV file in Google Cloud Storage. So you need to find out Google Cloud Storage. Let me just show you. Here is a Google Cloud Storage. Once you selected this, you have to just put your data transfer name, whatever data transfer name you want to set. Please set it. Or here is a schedule option. You can schedule it like when you just I'm just explaining you when your local folder file comes into the GCS bucket. So every 15 minutes means every scheduled time it will just schedule it. It will just run this and load data into BigQuery. Again, it will run this load data into BigQuery with several intervals. So now you have to put your name, and here is a minimum you can set only the 15 minutes. So I am just showing you when I set the 14. Let me just show you here minutes, and when I show you like minimum minutes, you can select it only 15. When you show you, so I 14 minutes, so it will showing me there like it should be greater than 15 or equal to required. So I am going to make is this equal to. So now I'm making the equal to, and you have to mention your data set name, whatever data set you have to mention. So here you will select, click on. So you have option like BigQuery data like this. You can select it according to your name. You have whatever name you have, written that time creating data set. And destination table also you have to mention it, a BigQuery like this. Destination table I have made in my case Indian sample data destination table. And after that you have to make like I am just extracting CSV. That's why here I'm extract a CSV format. By default it's selected, don't touch it. And here you have to mention 10 because of it will handle to 10 error. So please mention 10 from 0, as well as you have to mention 0 from 1 because of we already created our structure with this column. So we while extracting the data we don't need header of this header of this like we don't need header of this one means we don't need this thing. The first line we don't need, that's why we are just mentioned there first one. And now all we are set to go. Now when you will save it, it's created. So I'm canceling already created. So once you will created it, so it will active. For my case it is not active. So let me just go inside it and active it, enable it. So after enable, so it is successfully enabled, it is showing the message. Now I'm come to here, and after some time it will show me. Let me just show you like it's already enabled. Let me just refresh this page. Like after some time it will be showing you the um, timing. Let me just show you. So here after the enabling it will just tick with green. You will just see it, and it's showing the schedule when it is scheduled. So it